Hello students, to continue with our binary search technique. As you know, there is a condition in binary search technique that our element should be in the sorted form. Suppose if the elements are unsorted, then you have to sort it by using any sorting algorithm. Then you can only search an respective element or respective key element in your list. Firstly, we will create one function that is called the search function here. Then I'm passing here two parameters. One is with the list and other is the key, which is that it will be the element that I'm going to search in my list. The algorithm is same that I'm going to implement here in Python, that is start equal to 0. As in your data structure book, you have read about the beginning equal to lower bound and end equal to upper bound. Here I am writing 0 as the beginning, that is I am using start variable, and end, that is length of list minus 1, because I am starting the value from the 0. Start value is 0, that's why I will traverse the list n minus 1. Then is I will find the mid of the list. As you remember, when you are going to find mid of the list, then you will use integer value here, but I'm not going to use any integer data type here. That's why I'm using here floor operator to calculate the integer value. It will return the integer value. Then if list of mid is equal to the key, the element that I'm going to search here, then I will print found, else I will traverse the for list by the algorithm technique, that is if your beginning is less than end, then you will find mid again. If list of mid is greater than key, then that means if your key value is less than the mid that you have find out, then your end will be get changed. Your end will be mid minus 1 and your start will remain the same. In this case, your start value will be 0 and end value will be mid minus 1. Then if your key value is greater, then you will traverse the right side of the list. That means your start value will be get changed and your end will be get same. I will again repeat the logic. If your key value is less than the mid value, then you will traverse the left side of the mid, and your key value is greater than the mid value, then you will traverse the right side of the list. Then your else part will, if you will get the element which is at the mid, then you will return the mid, else you will return minus 1 if the condition is the element that you are going to search in your respective list is not present, then you will get minus 1. I will run this program. I'm going to run the same program here. Here the list is 1357 and the element which I am going to find here is 3. I will run the code. Firstly, it will found the element and it will return none because I am getting an element which is at the mid. That's why it will return the found here. Suppose we are going to search an element which is not present here, then it will return minus 1. Next we will start with the bubble sort. This is our program for the bubble sort technique. Firstly, I will take a list. I will take a list of 3 elements only. I will take here 33, 2 and 1. Then I will traverse the whole list and sort the element. As you know, if your list will contain number of elements are 3 here, then your passes means number of comparison will be n minus 1, that will be 2. That is the same that you have studied in your data structure. Firstly, I will create one function with the name of bubble sort and I will pass the same list with the elements 33, 2 and 1 here. Then I will make one loop. One is for the passes, for pass in range of length of the list minus 1. Length of the list here is 3 minus 1, that is 2 to 0. That means my passes will go from 2 and 1. That is your wish. You can create here an increment loop instead of decrement loop. Then for I in range of pass num, that means the number of elements that are in the passes, that is firstly I will get the value 2 here. That means my loop will work from 0 to 1. Then if list, I will take instead of L list I will take L here. If L of, then the value of I. Value of I in the first time when I am going to run this program, when I equal to 0, if list of 0, L of 0 is greater than L of 1. I plus 1, that means the I means 0. The 0 comes from here and I plus 1 means 0 plus 1, that is 1. That means the value which is at the list 0 index, if 33 is greater than 2, then I will swap the value temp equal to list of 0. I will get temp equal to 33 here. Then list of 0 will become list of 1. That means the value which is at the 1 index will go to the 0 index. Then my list will become 2, 2 and 1 here. Then list of 1 is equal to the value of temp. Here I have already passed the value which is at the 0 index to the temp. Then at the 1 index I will get 33. My list will become 33, 2, 33 and 1. This is the value when I will traverse my list with I equal to 0. This is with the pass 1. Then when I equal to 1, here I will run only one pass, rest you will try your own. Then when the value of I is equal to 1, then again I will check if L of 1, that is value which is at the 1 index, is greater than value which is at the 1 I plus 1, that is which is at the 2 index, then I will traverse. If your value is not greater, then swapping is not possible. Then temp equal to, I will skip here. Okay. Then temp equal to list of L1. I have deleted that one so that you can see the program as well. That means temp equal to L1, that means 33, because with the I0 value your list have become 2, 33 and 1. Then you will write list of 1 is equal to list of 2. That means the value which is at the 2 index will move to the 1. Then with this your value will become 2, 1 and 1. Then value I plus 1, that is 2, will become the value that is in the temp. In the temp we are having 33. With this we get 2, 1 and 33. As you know, with the first pass, your highest element of your list will be its position itself. Similarly, when you will go with, you have passed two values 0 and 1 here, then again you will go to the pass 1 here. Your value is 1, then your I will become 1. That means you will move with the single pass only. That means your value will be, you will work with the resultant of your list, that is in the first pass 2, 1 and 33. Your value of I will become 0. Again you will repeat the whole process. I will repeat it for you, that is if list of 0 is greater than list of 1, then again you will temp equal to the element which is at the 0 index, that means equal to temp will become equal to 2, then list of 1 will become equal to list of 2, sorry, list of 0. With this you will get then your I will become equal to the value which is at the temp, that is you will get your list 1, 2 and 33. Now you can see with this pass your list is sorted one. Your 4 I range is over, your pass ranges 2 and 1 is over. Now your list is sorted. With this you can perform bubble sort technique. You can try various algorithms, that is of insertion sort, selection sort and merge sort by the same way. Thank you.